Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about a beautiful website that I found. My name is Jules and I've been studying social sciences for 2 years now at Annecy College, and I really like history. All my classes were nice, and I think I might be going in history in university. So I found this beautiful website here that gives me plenty of information on history topic. So whenever I need information on whatever event, this site gives me links to plenty of websites to find those information. Okay, so let's open the website by adding a new tab. So by clicking here. In the searching bar, I'm gonna type the website. So best website history there. I click on this. I'm gonna click on this site. So yeah, this is the website. Okay, so there is the logo in the top left corner of the screen there. There is two links there, not links, I mean two sections that you can click. So there's How About Us. This is a section that gives you plenty of information about who wrote this website and who did this. And there is those icons if you want to share this on any social media. There is the Contact Us section. This section is for you to send information to them, so they can make you another event or gives you more information on an event they already did. So there is the main page of the website. There is an searching bar here if you want to search for any special events in particular, or there is the topics here that gives you a shortcut. So maybe if I'm interested in World War II, I can click there. There is the resources all over there for the World War II. And all of those blue text leads you to another website where you can find your information. So if I click on Encyclopedia of the Second World War, that leads me to this website. This website is really nice because there is plenty of information of all of this. If maybe I'm interested in military figures of the World War II, I click on this, and there's all the military figures classified by country. So they're the British and Commonwealth, they're the United States, they're the German. And let me pick one just to show you. Maybe if I'm interested by John Gort, I can click on John Gort, and the website gives me a little bio on John Gort and what he did in the war, what he do, and all those kind of things that I want to know about him to do my research. And there's the source there where they found the information and all of this. So yeah, maybe I can go back and gives you a second example. Maybe Keith Park. There is the bio of him and the source there, and there if you want to share. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you to have listened to me, and have a good day.